Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our vintage Ninja ZX-9R superbike, 1999, just acquired from the original owner in fantastic condition. Should see this bike. Smoke windscreen. It's got that 90s paint scheme, lime green, a little bit of purple, and come by, check it out. You're not going to believe the condition. Make your retro superbike dreams come true. This gorgeous Ninja ZX-9R for just $29.99. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.